Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport, come from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 28 THS Catalina. If you look down this side here, this has a little slide out. Up front here, it's got a space you can put your generator. Underneath, we put 2 batteries in a box. Little place here for your toys. Come down the side here. This has the starlight system with lights underneath and down the awning. Big old awning out the side. Fuel station here in the back. If you want to come inside here, this has the new steps. You got beds here in the back that make into a couch. This has a patio that goes off the back. It's on rollers, opens all up. Nice high ceilings in here with LED lights, ducted AC. Lots of counter space here. You got counters, lots of cabinets. All molded here. Stereo. This has a front big old bathroom in here. Shower with AC in there. It's a front bed. King bed with lights in here, lots of cabinets. If you got any questions, my number's on the screen there, and give me a call on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.